Ey bafana bamankhethe kuyoba inkabi noma kuyoba yibo khetha yakazibheke ngoba induku isengakhala kuye ngisengagadla ku umphefumulo ngisengawukhipha ku uzibiza istrati ngiphethe ihobo lisengafela ku khala insingi izinyoni ezulu igudlula amadlanga yayisaba mayihlaba ke vundula amagama negaba negalak sidudula amavanka bekheniki karakharis cash time kusasikhanda yoqhuma sanhlavana nkabe ezinye siyofeketha jimi inkosi enkabi rap izono zenu nganithwalela beka isandla niyathuka kanti bengisanthandazela senibaningi ngenifela kimi ngathi ngombhede yasesibhedlela iyakhonya bayibonile insizwa bayitholi nabahloli kwavuma amakhosi amatshiji nentombi inkaba izondi inkosi yami ngisiguli ngiyadata ngisajuli nengangisolisa ngoma esithandwa yinsizwa sengishaya ama-yellow bone yanka
awake intwana yana msuthu bafethu natseba ke nako yane ni yeah check it out. Hey, fuck with the gang, hey, fuck with my niggas, but all but check out the beat, like a teta mafika. Me no tata repina da bima. Upulo ke twa re hloka di pizza, gapelang shem, puta di people. Ke haba hale ba ga wa mabito, go bitswana le no tswere ka pina. Ta gatlho ke thopa le tlosa ka utlwa e khatata. Mene do beng, ke koma ke tsheta ka ma kibela le tswa go tlhagoa. Ha ga di pini, go fla ka mepe, le sa tobula ka bima. Mampele ka sekotlo ba fetu, kambi fu na ke boma so weto Orlando East, da re pitla ba fe. Di ga metlhare go nye methapo, e be dintjapa go na masapo ke a papa bulo pa marapo ntwaelwana ha re ke le gato me rap stays and got it most of them ain't really about it never offended I'm sorry hope you get it I am trying to expose you I just want you to be ready deep now before you finish and add hope to the finish let it go hore how long up hahametse mata di gore di hlabe how le fubi di nyono be di tlhare go tshake me go tla thome di tlase ke tla bala ga no le fifi stay strong until the finish always remember the feelings yeah always remember the feelings nigga ay re le bueng ba fethu ne re re fa wa re le tshwara hanyane fela ne re le bueng tsa yeah, raw, gang, Gucci with a bag, nigga. You know I tell factual stories and shit. Fact, hey, so much smoke in the back, the shit that I sold I was smoke too. The glass pipe bending so hard till it pop out. Morgan didn't pass the pipe till the blast started to come out. I had to flee the hood. Young, I was drowning in too many cases. Back then, too many faces. And then I needed changing. I moved down. FS studio started cook out. I had some people to look up. Even my mama, she stood up. She noticed the sun was different. And I was about the beefy. End up suffering depression. Then I go up in the beefy. I had some people to look out. Even my mama, she stood up. She noticed the sun was different. And I was always about the beefy. And I did suffer some basic depression. Suffer some basic sexual stuff. Suffer some basic depression. And no lie in this. Don't be asking me what I smoke. Should be asking me who I smoke. Catalea, I take overdose. She make me rich even though I'm broke. I never cry when my heart broke. And I go around the heartbeat. Fuck around in the side chick. If she meant it with this nigga, I'ma release my side piece.
Catalia is who I smoke. I'm a blunt king, yeah, always block. My mother worry, she tryna flop, but I'm high up, I'm skimming the waves. Catalia got me working on things, got me skimming up, I'm hitting those things. Fuck up the game, I never wanna hit. Living the but I never wanna fake.
Don't be asking me what I smoke. What? Should be asking me who I smoke.
Yeah.
Catalea, I take overdose. She made me rich even though I'm broke. I never cry when my heart broke.
Yeah. Gang.
Gucci with a bag.
Yeah.
Polar.
Facts.